Ladies and gentlemen, Porsche has done it again. The highly anticipated 2026 Porsche Macan has finally arrived, and today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about this next-generation luxury SUV. From its bold exterior design, to the tech-loaded interior, the powerful engine options, and of course, the price tag that comes with all that prestige. Stick around until the end, because this Macan is rewriting the rulebook for performance SUVs. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Porsche Macan continues to embody Porsche's DNA while stepping into a more futuristic era. The front fascia is sharper, with matrix LED headlights that give it a piercing presence on the road. The grille has been resculpted for better airflow and improved aerodynamics, making the SUV not just stylish, but efficient. The profile is sleeker and more coupe-like than ever before, with flush door handles and sculpted lines that channel air smoothly along the body. Porsche offers wheel options ranging from 20 to 22 inches, each adding its own personality. And at the back, you'll find a full-width LED light bar, a signature Porsche design trait that makes it instantly recognizable at night. Step inside, and the 2026 Macan greets you with luxury and cutting-edge technology. The interior feels like a blend of Porsche tradition and futuristic innovation. Front and center, you'll find a 12.9-inch curved digital driver display, paired with a 10.9-inch infotainment screen. For the first time, Porsche has added an optional passenger display, so co-drivers can join in on navigation, media, or even entertainment. And yes, it's practical too. Rear passengers get more legroom thanks to the updated platform, while the cargo area has been expanded slightly, perfect for weekend trips or everyday use. Now let's talk about what really makes the Macan a Porsche: performance. The 2026 Macan comes with multiple powertrains, starting with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder producing around 265 horsepower. But if you want the real Porsche experience, you'll look at the Macan S or GTS trims. The Macan S comes with a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 pushing out over 375 horsepower, while the Macan GTS cranks that up to around 440 horsepower. All variants come with Porsche's PDK dual-clutch transmission and all-wheel drive, delivering blistering acceleration and razor-sharp handling. And here's the game-changer: Porsche is also offering an all-electric Macan EV. With dual motors producing well over 600 horsepower and an estimated 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, it's proof that performance and electrification can coexist beautifully. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Porsche Macan starts at around $60,000 for the base model. The Macan S moves up to about $75,000, while the high-performance Macan GTS will likely set you back around $90,000. As for the electric Macan, expect pricing to start closer to $85,000, depending on options and trim levels. Of course, with Porsche, options and customizations can push that price way higher. But that's part of the appeal: you can make your Macan uniquely yours. So, what do you think? The 2026 Porsche Macan combines the luxury and practicality of an SUV with the heart and soul of a true Porsche sports car. Whether you're into gasoline power or you're ready to make the leap into electric performance, the Macan proves that Porsche is ready for the future without forgetting its heritage. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Porsche Macan, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming car reviews. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you go for the gas-powered Macan or the electric version? I'm curious to know.